Welcome to MySchool training. In this tutorial we will look at the Quick Reports feature, which creates custom reports from your MySchool data. Data reports are attached to the private reports and only available to admin staff. If you would like to make this feature available to other groups, then contact MSM support. Go to the Data Reports menu header and find Quick Reports in the list. The report builder has two main sections. The first one is a filter, which allows you to refine your search based on key data fields within your MySchool instance. Secondly, the Export tab determines what data you would like to extract from your filtered list. Choose whether you would like to filter student data or user data. Note that teachers, staff and guardians are all user profiles. These have different fields to the student profiles. You will have all filtered data appear in the list. By checking or unchecking, you can bulk send an announcement to a highly specific group, or multi-update allows you to assign courses or enroll the students in a class. Selecting the Export tab, we will have the options to export to Excel or create specific labels. Now let's look at the filter options and ask the question that we would like to see all girls in the secondary school level who are studying the core science courses. To really understand how to build the reports, then have a look at all the filters available. This will target a specific data set. So here we select gender. The field now appears to the right. Now we determine the class range. Select the class level, then open the empty field which has appeared in the filter window. Here we can now select the appropriate class levels. Use Shift left click to select multiple levels, or Alt to select from non-adjoining class levels. Then confirm. Now we can select the subjects that interest us. Firstly, choose the class level. Then same again with Shift left click, select the subjects. So now we can look at the query. We are asking for all the girls in the secondary class levels who are enrolled in the subjects we have selected. For certain fields you can change the query context from includes to excludes, or in case of a numeric field we have less than or greater than. When we are happy we can apply the filter, and the results are produced below. Now let's build the export details for this filter. The export is we want to show as a result of the filter. Here we want the full names of the students. We can see what other information would be of use, add the fields as needed, or simply take them out of the export by pressing on the red cross. In this case we will simply ask name and email, so that we can send them some information. Now export to Excel and the data will be tabulated for you. Have a look at the fields available and try different report settings to produce regular reports.